Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add new fonts in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. First of all, go to Google and type Dafont in search bar. Click on First Website to open. Now select any font which you like to add. Check the font name and click on Download button. When downloading is complete, open this file. Open this file and click on Install. After installation, close this page and go to Illustrator. Write any text here. Go to Font option and search their same font, which download and install. Here is your new font. Let's try again. I will download one more font. So I will download this line light font. Do the same procedure. Simply download it, open File and install. Go to again in Illustrator. Write the text and search the font name. Here is your new font. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.